Okay, this is my charging tiller, or the roto welder, or the tilling charger. Many names. They will be copied. Get me?
Yeah.
It will be copied everywhere. We have a 5-horse tiller that has been unaltered, with the exception of this minor modification you see on top. I have 2 marine batteries and an auxiliary lawnmower battery wired up to an inverter for power outages. And these batteries, the charge of the batteries is maintained by a 100 amp alternator and voltage regulator out of a Ford pickup truck, and they're powered by the tiller engine. I made this from what I had on hand here, with the exception I had to buy a bag of $100 in the batteries, $100 in the what you call it there, $100 in that. Oh, and I got my voltmeter on here also, so I can monitor the voltage. And it's certain that the power inverter has a is thermally protected from overloads, and also low battery input. It'll cut off. And this baby will keep the refrigerator running, do a fan, a light bulb, maybe even the TV as well, all at the same time. If not, we can rotate. Turn the fuel valve on. I can run the drill at an idle and hold 13.73 volts on the batteries. They're deep cycle marine batteries.
How long did it take?
I'm ready for another hurricane. Well, every time we have a big storm come, I worked on this project a little bit. It started with Katrina.
Oh.
So overall, it's been 3 years from concept to finished product. This last time around, I started Saturday morning at 7. I got done about Saturday night about 5 p.m. And we lost power at 2 a.m. So just in time. So there, oh, this is off on switch for the regulator. Got to flip that on. Charges the field coils and alternator. With it off, the field coils are disengaged. And these batteries also have a dual purpose, act as a stabilizer and additional weight for tilling. So this, I believe, will improve the tilling capability of this machine, in theory. We'll find out later in practice. Okay.
Okay.